Did you know that by developing BIM-ready content models of your building products, you'll unlock a world of opportunities? Tools like Autodesk Inventor test for fit, form, function, and interferences. Similarly, in the building space, Revit enables walkthroughs, collision tests, and generates detailed documentation for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. Revit users have specific expectations for the models they use, such as small file sizes, detailed product information, and multiple views. By developing BIM-ready content models, your products will reach a wider audience of AEC decision makers, be specified earlier in the design process, and you'll help customers improve building efficiencies. And by seamlessly coordinating on building projects, you'll differentiate your company as easy to do business with. Unlock new opportunities with BIM-ready workflows. Contact IMAGINiT experts today.